Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lofi token. Now there's a Lofi event going on right now on Mexc Global. We're going to go over the information on that and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, pinned tweet on Mexc Global's Twitter, at Mexc_global, is talking about this Lofi event. So they have the Mexc Launchpad. Just think about Pink Sale, where they have brand new tokens get launched and people can get them before they're fully released, basically pre-sales, that type of thing. So they have the Mexc Launchpad on here, and Lofi is part of it, and it says, hold 1,000 MX tokens for 15 consecutive days to qualify for the Lofi airdrop. So all you need to do is hold 1,000 MX tokens for 15 consecutive days, and you can check out the details of this airdrop event, and you can qualify for a Lofi airdrop. So check that out on Mexc Global's Twitter. Now, it shows you when to take a snapshot, all that type of stuff, snapshot event of your MX position. MX is the Mexc Global token, if you did not know. And the listing time for the Lofi token is on here, and it says this will be listed, this token will be available in about 2 weeks on March 31st, 12 hours UTC time. So that's when the Lofi token is available. So if you're just looking to get the Lofi token, basically you need an Mexc Global account. I do have an Mexc referral code down there. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you would get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on March 31st at 12 o'clock, and search Lofi, L-O-F-I, and then simply just buy the token with your USDT. So yes, March 31st, but before then, you can get involved with this holding 1,000 MX tokens for 15 consecutive days. So today is the 15th. So I'm going to upload this video today, and 15 plus 15 is the 30th. And then on the 31st, this token gets listed on Mexc Global. So there you go. That's how you get involved with this event. And they have a project page introduction on here. So basically there is 10 billion Lofi tokens in total. It says the Lofi project reimagines what the live streaming ecosystem could be by making watching live streams more productive and rewarding. Live stream fans lead the live stream ecosystem by watching, earning, and contributing to a sustainable streaming industry. The Lofi team is reinventing a healthier streaming ecosystem and bringing the lifestyle between Web 2 and Web 3. So 3% of the tokens go to seed round, 6% of these tokens go to strategic, 9% private, 1% public IDO, 5% airdrops, 6% marketing, 5% liquidity, 20% watch to earn, 30% ecosystem treasury, 3% advisors, and 12% team. Now, if you want to find all the information on the Lofi token, the name of the full project is Lofibuzz, by the way. You can find this white paper at whitepaper.lofi.buzz. Pretty straightforward. So, live stream fans lead the live streaming ecosystem by watching, earning, and contributing to a sustainable streaming industry. The Lofi team is reinventing a healthier streaming ecosystem and bridging the lifestyle between Web 2 and Web 3, starting with the Lofi EQ app, a platform built for live streaming fans, with the goal of providing more substantial rewards. So they're going to have the Lofi token, which is the one coming out, and then they're also going to have another token within the ecosystem, ticker symbol Buzz. You can earn these for their watch time. Live stream fans can have a way to monetize their watch time and see more of their donations reach live streamers through the Lofi's EQ's various functions. Watch, enjoy, and contribute towards your life and the life of streamers. So they have the watch to earn, so you can earn Buzz tokens while watching content on Twitch, and you can donate your favorite streamers the Buzz tokens if you'd like. In addition to donations, you'll be able to experience various functions with streamers such as membership-only content, personalized videos, and one-to-one video calls with the Buzz token. Watch your favorite streamers on Twitch with Lofi EQ. You can select a streamer on Twitch and move to Lofi EQ through a share function, or you can search for a Twitch streamer on Lofi EQ. They also have the Lofi Pods, it says. Lofi Pods are an NFT used in the Lofi EQ app to earn Buzz tokens. Wearing Lofi Pods, they're like, ear pods, earpod NFTs. Wearing the Lofi Pods and earning tokens make live streaming, watching more engaging and rewarding. You can use Lofi EQ and earn Buzz tokens without purchasing NFTs. Starter pods are the alternative for those who can't afford NFTs and are not familiar with the Web3 system. So then they have the Lofi mic, which is going to be an NFT for the streamers. So you have the pods if you're the listener, and then you have the mic if you're the streamer. It will be the beginning of an NFT that will bring outstanding achievements to the streamers ecosystem. We will release it as soon as the Lofi pod holders ecosystem becomes active. We guarantee all streamers will love to use it. Stay tuned. So they also have governance, so you're going to have voting rights. The community treasury will collect Lofi tokens with various sources by earning commissions from NFTs, live streams, donations, and advertisements. The community treasury is managed by the governance mechanism. So they have allocation for that. So it will be distributed as follows: 50% to the community rewards funds staking respectively, 12% distributed towards future platform developments, 5% will be given to liquidity providers. And then they have, security and privacy links on here. They have all sorts of socials. So check this token out. Like I said, there's an event going on Mexc Global's Twitter that you could check out right now. Check that out at Mexc_global. Check out that Mexc Global referral code. That's where this token is going to be listed on the 31st. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? And make sure you like and subscribe for future crypto videos. Thanks to all the new Patreon supporters out there. Thanks to people hitting that join button and hitting the super thanks button. And y'all have a great day. Peace out.